Welcome everyone. In today's video, I will be showcasing 3 exciting new DeFi projects that you should take a look at. And the first one I wanted to talk about today is Marginally. So Marginally will allow traders to go up to 20x long or short on various different DEXs out there. So basically, Marginally acts as a side pool for any DEX, and it runs all the leverage mechanisms, so like interest rates, position management, and margin calls on the side. So Marginally isn't going to be a project in itself that you use, like a specific website that you go to, but hopefully, you know, if all goes well, it's integrated into other DEXs. So it will be like an adjustable toggle on those other DEXs, allowing you to leverage trade there. Basically, they just have a side pool there, which enables all of this. So you get leverage trading, of course, and there are some other advantages for DEXs to actually implement Marginally. You get no impermanent loss. So if you wanted to provide liquidity in these side pools, you can just earn pure yield on whatever token that you're providing liquidity on. And I think that's one thing that is actually driving away a lot of people from actually providing liquidity, is that, you know, they suffer from impermanent loss, and most of the time they're just better off holding one coin or the other. So this is nice. So in the future, we might see Marginally implemented into other DEXs or some of the existing DEXs that we see right now. I think, you know, if all goes well, we might see it implemented into something like SushiSwap. So you might be able to go 20x leverage long Arbitrum token, or say like the DopeX token, or just basically any sort of high market cap coin out there. I doubt you'll be able to 20x leverage long some random 100k liquidity token, but you know, Uniswap, Balancer, SushiSwap, those sort of tokens you'll probably be able to leverage long in the future. Second one is Sujiko Trade. So this one is basically NFT perp, but it's on Solana. So you can trade perpetual futures on NFTs. So as you can see here, long and short Sol, ETH, and Polygon NFTs with lightning speed and low costs. So we just take a look here. We have the chart here for Mad Lads, and that's been traded. So there are various different markets here that you have. You have Bored Apes, Azuki, Mad Lads, SMB, Claynosaurs, ABC, Pudgy Penguins, D-Gods, and Miladies. So quite a mixture there of different NFTs that you can actually trade. And this is good because it opens up different NFT strategies that you can do. I recently released a video on delta neutral airdrop farming because basically if you hold and stake a lot of these NFTs, you can be given airdrops or staking rewards for doing so. But if you don't also want to take on the sort of price risk of holding that NFT, you could hold the NFT and then short the equivalent amount here, and then you've got a delta neutral position, and then you can collect those airdrops and yields. So it's really cool that they have this opened up. So we just take a look here. Let's take a look at the SMB, see how this is done over time. And we have a bunch of trades here on the right. Now the next protocol I want to talk about is Avantis. So you're able to trade crypto and Forex with up to 100x leverage on here. And it should be pretty familiar to you if you're familiar with like Gains Network, for example. So you use USDC as your base collateral, and then the liquidity providers there, basically you just have a giant vault of USDC that people trade against, and the liquidity providers there pay out any traders' gains, but they also receive any traders' losses, and they also receive fees. But what makes this different is that they're building on both Optimism and Base. So if you don't know, Base is basically Coinbase's version of the Optimism stack. So this is all part of the Optimism superchain, and so hopefully we see more composability here, faster transaction speeds, and lower costs too. So that was it for this video. I hope you enjoyed it, and make sure to subscribe for more videos like this one. I'm trying to pump out one of these sort of free new DeFi protocols to check out per week, and so definitely stick around if you want to see those videos.